Homes filled with natural sunlight feel warm, inviting, and bright, but too much direct sun exposure can also create challenges. Excess heat, glare, and rising indoor temperatures can affect comfort and increase energy use. For homeowners in Mandeville, choosing energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to manage direct sunlight while maintaining a comfortable living environment. The challenge of direct sunlight: large windows and open exposures allow beautiful daylight to enter a home. However, when sunlight streams in for extended periods, it can raise indoor temperatures quickly. In Mandeville homes, direct sunlight often affects south and west-facing rooms the most. Without the right window features, these areas may feel warmer and harder to keep comfortable. How energy-efficient windows help control heat? Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the amount of heat that passes through the glass. They help manage heat transfer so that sunlight brightens a room without overheating it. For homeowners in Mandeville, this means living spaces stay cooler and more balanced throughout the day, even when exposed to strong sunlight. Reducing glare without sacrificing natural light. While natural light enhances any room, glare can make it uncomfortable to read, work, or relax. Energy-efficient windows help diffuse and control light levels. In Mandeville homes, this creates bright but usable spaces where daylight improves the atmosphere without overwhelming it. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. Rooms exposed to direct sunlight often become hot spots compared to the rest of the home. Energy-efficient windows help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Mandeville homeowners benefit from balanced comfort across living spaces, reducing the need for constant thermostat adjustments. Lowering cooling demands. When excess heat enters through windows, indoor cooling systems must work harder to compensate. Energy-efficient windows reduce heat gain, helping Mandeville homeowners limit unnecessary cooling demands. Over time, this supports lower energy use and more efficient home operation. Protecting interior furnishings. Direct sunlight can also affect interior furnishings, causing fading or wear over time. By moderating sunlight exposure, energy-efficient windows help protect flooring, furniture, and decor. Mandeville homeowners preserve both comfort and interior appearance. Improving comfort near window areas. In many homes, seating areas near windows become less comfortable during peak sunlight hours. Energy-efficient windows help keep these spaces usable. In Mandeville residences, window side seating remains inviting rather than overly warm. Enhancing long-term home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows adds value beyond daily comfort. Homes that manage sunlight effectively are often seen as better maintained and more efficient. For homeowners in Mandeville, this improvement supports long-term property appeal and durability. Maintaining bright, open interior sunlight should enhance a home, not create discomfort. Energy-efficient windows allow Mandeville homeowners to enjoy expansive views and bright interiors while keeping heat and glare under control. The result is a comfortable, light-filled home that works with the sun rather than against it. A smart solution for sun-exposed homes. Direct sunlight is a valuable feature when managed properly. For homeowners in Mandeville, energy-efficient windows offer the ideal balance between brightness and comfort. By reducing heat gain, controlling glare, and supporting stable indoor temperatures, these windows help create enjoyable living spaces that stay comfortable, even in rooms with significant sun exposure.